Right, yeah, my tear phone in Aquaba, if I'm right, AKRO live. So, and I Saturday, Yatana say, Yatana say, sports, and yeah, bro, make out say, Facebook, and I'll share live, AKRO live, Facebook, so also YouTube channel, no, AKRO live GH, and I know you made, if you live, Fizos Pub, Cropon, Equiapemino, one will work Cropon, and Equiapem, and I feel so I craft for you, and I'll be Pimu, Cropon, the only say, Fizos Pub, and then AKRO Saturday, and a Rachana Sunday, say, and the general Mosonede, Nina, live. Fizos Baba, and then baby at Nasi, nothing so what you do, nothing so boys, which Yasana, some to Tuniama, nothing to be Biasi, a fair, nay, come out, what to Tuniama, what I can say, bottles, it to soon, the best Sunia, nay, Fizos Pub, our Cropona crap in my one, and then Obi Pimua, the Pana Boy Remo Hanamaje, and the general, and I don't know, Equasuana, and Elbanswa, making sure Selbeshe, who face marks, nothing to be Biasono, and to me, I come and sanitizer, but they are saying, Kakran. Bibiania, sanitizer sana bibia sona kama live our Fizos Paba and then a cropone Kuapemeka say AKRO live sports and then Yatanasia Brona and I know Jumedia Babidino Yamabe share the Europa League say another Anna Sevilla and Inter Milan from Italy at the Buenina. I can't see no corner and I just say Sevilla at me winning the Europa League for the sixth time. You know, Sevilla for at me winning that trophy one of the UEFA Champions League and that's finals no ebetoja Portugal Stadio de Luz no bobo kwa ni at the Bayern Munich from Germany or bobo kwa ni at the Paris Saint-Germain from France and I would baba boni teneno ebetina snap films no ya share the Europa League and I feel so the UEFA Champions League finals na ebeba so erachina na wa na mamen kai say TY Barbering Shop wa da romana ya di jumedi no bro Samsung e Siman advertising once no aso ya sin e di jumedi no so no bro Samsung e Fizos Pub yes Fizos Pub no ube piemu ekropona high fe ube piemu drink bia nsa bia besa ono no ube tremu ha bibia nsa no ebe koso e dey amawa life e dey jumedi no so no bro na me am dey jumedi no tia me no me din ene na kwame amfonsadi na ene no ke e wa hanom sanso na ene we sporter ono so no atnasia enche e discussions no ebe bro but ebe ko Europe now things so na go check tidbits around the world of sports when we say transfers different and as a players a movie akọ various leagues and as a one teams we now face one make sure say na ma so betumi akoso area ma so teams no ebi so na start one pre-season training as Liverpool and then one in RB Salzburg and I say yes Red Bull Salzburg and the Boeni our the pre-season training na ekoso something other teams no Borussia Dortmund and otumi a ball one of their games no e wo hunting ya na beko na fin so no yakofa tidbits around the world of sports abroad make I say AKRO Live Sports and o share on Facebook AKRO Live Samsung and YouTube no AKRO Live GH and Jumedi no make strong special on the streets of Cropona Fizos Pub or na yatnasia ya de Jumedi no bro no mamika national so say TY Barbering Shop Samsung na Siman advertising one Roma and ya de Jumedi no bro hono na yebekwa na ni na sana no mami tunchi afama Cropona de nyina and then when you bre na watch live Facebook Samsung one kind Kumasi amana no nyina no mayinchi ahom and your face when you bre na watch na Jumedi no so no etimi aye kama na kwakwa mu no amfanchi akese emfama na afia nketi a obu okua pemia maminchia no anjo fe na afia so big afro maminchia na asun bibia so no enye kama na yentie ni enko pie wa mana ya wonum se no ada ana de Europa aye cup no between Inter Milan and afia so bobo kwa ni at Sevilla what boy our Germany Cologne on a final so no etimi eto jana game ni ba na ewie no na afia so Inter Milan after taking the lead atrama Sevilla abe bona ka por miensa maniti mumio na Branti and ni Romelu Lukaku go at Inter Milan and so about Luke De Jong about 2 goals I want on goal from Lukaku and to me a secure victory Adema aye Sevilla after winning their 6th Europa League trophy Hanoma and also Netima Boama Sevilla qualify for the UEFA Champions League next season once no ebetimi ejina Wester kan that's what Sevilla catch no onum say na want to maybe one state Europa cup no Hanoma their first one was in 2004 wotimi ewini Hanoma afin so no 2005 wotimi wini in 2014 2015 2016 wotimi wini twice so 3 times one afin so no another wotimi wini one state Europa League trophy Hanoma muntina pushi won ɛne mo akɔda top a ne open Europe nya eba Europa League ma teams a want to make no Sevilla agent 6 times, Inter Milan agent 3, Juventus agent 3, Atletico de Madrid and so at me agent 3 or her and then some about every the Europa League and UEFA Champions League. I'm say that's a big game no about to ja El Bobuku and I say El Portugal Mountains so Stadio and I say Stadio de Luz no Bobuku and at the Paris Saint-Germain PSG and I feel some Bayern Munich from Germany and I Edbe Boy in a game na big game and paying for 7 p.m. Ghana time no sa game no so no entumi entoja e wo ho me ne no Kylian Mbappé lutin so no eden stem e dey atugwa kire mu se achena no boot oba be se no special o say in 2002 Abrantia ni di e Frank Ribery ni buta otumi ehye in the 2002 e World Cup finals no ene no oton e man no ntene no say abrofo no tuma launch new mercurial boot no our Europe dia obesha sa boot na face we dedicate and am Abrantia ni di Frank Ribery e ho ni Kylian Mbappé lutin and so no ere sansam no ere atuja ne go pio Manchester United akatia onu say one captain Abrantia ni ere Harry Maguire na Harry Maguire ere na nsa ana issue bi ba to ja chen so tumi akoko ntoko akakra ene no etia England mrano ana say Greece ana santoko ana etumi course wa ene police fo etumi chi Abrantia ni ere Harry Maguire na ene anopa anoko pie mu court etumi amane bewa one say next week no Abrantia no stand pie mu court na face so charges are worry abon misconduct no mpanyifo afin so na lawyers ana judges no etumi ntina sansam so Harry Maguire after say wotumi achire na o Greece no ene one amane bewa next week oba be pie mu court na afin so no worry nsem no ere ato so ere ma na say Arsenal captain Abrantia ni ere Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang ere incredible baba chire musa Abrantia no aje pene so betumi extend no contract ere ama Arsenal de Ghana sign ene nsem Aubameyang so no ere atuja ere ma na akopia Barcelona katia anum say coach ni ere Ronald Koeman ere wotumi be pie mu Barcelona katia mpanyifo chose ni ama so no ebetumi akoye ere ma coach ni ere Ronald Koeman na papa no be pie mu no ere nsem ere atuja chire Abrantia ni ere Luis Suarez ana afin so na ere Abrantia Sergio Busquets Gerard Piqué ana Abrantia ni ere Ivan Rakitic no wonya players ni wo be chose wo more from kakra nti debi mpanyifo betumi bu aketem ere afibo boku ma ni coach ni ere Ronald Koeman so no ere sansem no ere atuja na okase wie na captain on the side you know Messi so no ere nsem ere atuja chire mu say coach na de waba Ronald Koeman wa be pie mo Barcelona kate na so no ono Messi no onye certain say coach no obetumi aboa Barcelona nti Messi oche say no 1 year contract na ka Barcelona na obabo afi won na next season no ansha no ba bibu na ketem ere fi Barcelona kate Lionel Messi so no ere sansam no ere atuja na kura mo ne fancy na fancy am share discussions na Abrantia ni ere Blaise Matuidi onu say ni wabu na ketem ere fi Juventus akopie mo the Major League Soccer ni Inter Miami David Beckham team no and Abrantia ni ere Blaise Matuidi etimi akopie mo next season oba be jire Messi akan ere yama Inter Miami ewo the Major League Soccer ni man nsem kaka ebo woba na Chelsea akache onu say Abrantia ni ere Kai Havertz no ni hot cake ere ma Chelsea mpay for nsem ere atu just enter kopim ending of August no Abrantia ni ere Ken Kai no Kai Havertz no obetime bu na kete na face wa be pie mu Chelsea akache ere my team na akopie mo Manchester United ere incredible woba chase Abrantia ni ere Odion Gallo no ansha na osambe bu na kete mu ere fi team no ere Manchester United Ole Gunnar Solskjaer ere players no board no ere atu just Odion Gallo oba na nsha da on first 2 matches na she go ba na aka no emfa ntine ansha no be bu na kete mu ere fi Manchester United akache na nsem tewa ewo Europa ere my team for na fancy na fancy yan share discussions na topic no the Europa League finals anyway etoja Sevilla wetumi winning one state Europa League trophy after beating Inter Milan 3-2 won something na rachina the UEFA Champions League no grand finale ebetoja Portugal Mountains so Paris Saint-Germain Neymar Kylian Mbappé Angel Di Maria Mauro Icardi what you say ni obetumi beat the likes of Robert Lewandowski Serge Gnabry Thomas Muller and Philippe Coutinho Correa won my big class and rachina ebetoja the UEFA Champions League ma and also enye fere agwa meka se bebe abepie no the Fizos Pub company kwa my life on the jumedi no bro wa you know say you were town programs are all now town ekopon so we pie ekopon na boy a girl no wife buy kan and as on wife ampo na eja utwa fe chi kakra na de obi be pie ma bra na betena Fizos Pub na fi so no munjujo mo na fi so mututu niama thought as the boys some mututu niama na bibia so no etimi kama na obepie mu ha kai se obese face mask na fi so no bibia so etimi kama na abanso ani no Veronica Baketia be wash no sa ya sanitize wa tena wa bo awura mu pa abo na bibia so no etimi akoso kama bibia be sa onum bia no wa ha locally manufactured foreign bibia no Fizzles pa ba wetimi abepie mu ha no ne no kwa be Fizzles yes na da Roma ne yedi jumadi ne bro live Samson ne amedi mu yes one make sure say Fizzles pa ba no wetimi available amayen kropon krom ha live AKRO Sports no yedi jumadi no bro and no ke atenase Samson Pauli yes with Sporter the champion man also no atenase and no Chelsea for what should say obeja players na horo na next season one be University I can bench one of the players I need personal terms and the one Abranton area next week Abranton bit must sign a contract and at my Chelsea Abranton needing the bench one 50 million and this game later on in the show no maybe Sanos Abranton deserve to ask Ghana what ko finance hey babe share the Europa League Samson at the UEFA Champions League no yeah the finals no updates no and be bro no and a finals no beto ya you ba ko pimu McDenk Soccer Center na feel say the update no abro of the UEFA Champions League ma me ma be jafo na kwa ba mra show no so okay BBI fine
yeah fine master
Manchester United Harry Maguire and ko piemu court one man bill oje dey say a brand reputation as the captain of Manchester United oje dey say Manchester
say me are very disappointed Kakra El Maguire because as a captain no your code of ethics we do baby I say we done it now me name what really transpired between the actions now no but me sure at least so omo man bill cry now almost settle oba board no so omo timi echina so Kakra no say captain of any other team Manchester United inti we do baby I say without captains Eddie nti me sure wanya ade ambo team no we captain we good team name as Kakra nti pe me sure say pe mfo betim atwe na so Kakra fine be cry na omo de be man na omo betim de man na bibia ayi bofo.
Okay, fantastic one here key and I attend kan Manchester United supporter my Mr. Sporter bibia woko
bibia woko ni edi kan ma minchi a yan ahwefo ne obi a wanya emre den na di babeti AKRO live sports cause
o say ne ya be piemu Fizzles pub I fantastic ma o share environment no say na bibia girls no around so that so we fine boy no say yes be boy so Fizzles pub what I ba ta na me be piemu no wa ka kire me na o ba no a tere ma
Fizzles de ejedi uko bibia obo Fizzles obi a wa be hwe anom bia hu say da bi a very very nice place oba ye kropon a opese ope baby tena oye on fine na make say oye on fine say obenum bia na obe have fun a very nice place a very very good place I recommend for everyone to come around.
Fantastic
one reception bibia a very very fantastic one.
Say first time I be PM wa na be PM I fantastic
very fantastic very
power okay Kwan Fizzles my yambo na baso that's why I made you want make sure say have kama e wo honum my Mr. Chelsea bibia boko
bibia boko because o share yen transfer target ni ade a yiri du hujuma next season a very very exciting season am Chelsea every Chelsea fan bi an den na ninje course ye de niam retoto akwam ye fanti
and yeah we Sporter na oten nka just next season fire and my Chelsea and no Timo Werner training na ukona short no obobo no upie training na ase fufu na wo team papa na niam ahihye so Timo Werner Hakim Ziyech Kai Havertz watch yourself no so ba be PM bench wo ento ankosi Monday Tuesday Abranton betima sign a contract no area my Chelsea but my any kan chance FFP the Europa League etoja and Sevilla winning their state European trophy especially in the Europa League and obi beka say yan kra ne trophy na say name trophy no after Sevilla we say the European Sevilla trophy ni yɛmfa ma wɔ ɛsan sɛ set time no de ano yɛ den no de ɛtɔ sɛ bi no Inter Milan ɔno tuma gye no 3 times but big game no ɛto dwa Cologne okay ma me hyɛ asɛm fi with Sporter so Sevilla winning 3-2 against Inter Milan after Romelu Lukaku taking the lead game no in all but ma me ma wo hyɛ asɛm fi the Europa League itself no this season sɛnea ahoɔ ne 5 games ahorow no ɛto dwa are you surprised say Inter Milan and also are you surprised say Inter Milan let me ebe PM of finals team be no surprise and overall Sevilla performance in the Europa League or deserve to be winning the Europa League now.
That's it. What's your Europa League competition this season now? Team to say Inter Milan. I'm not surprised that we play our finals, but looking at a team like Sevilla, no, with their start of campaign and one domestic league, was La Liga anymore. I'm a bit surprised that what to me be play our final. What to me play our final because the likes of Manchester United and some other teams are now top form after coronavirus and war restarting game now. I don't think say Obi abe predicted say Sevilla be play mu finals, but me say what psychological impact be star competition mu say they have been there before Endra woje na wonge fit time into was psychological impact and other things. If as a would do time no get ahead to closer to the final, wonya believe we say they can get there, and I think say a big motivation ma would do sa final.
My Mr. Coach Erema Inter Milan Antonio Conte after the game Okasai then somehow can also be consider the future our Inter Milan. Do you think that Inter Milan board and a team I'm mad at supporter Antonio Conte deserve it, and you think that could support now I go be to me we need the Europa League
none post match conference will make in concerning any future about next season and then also international on the board, and as to say then whether he'll be there or he won't be there, no Inter still then we'll move on. We're making very very good signings. I'm Inter Milan. If you are looking past in the years and I will say Inter na yenim say Inter no and you know na Inter no so oba and we be put much effort. Also signings which say Romelu Lukaku Christian Eriksen, Ashley Young, players be one about obi about we making impact to team. One leg what they Juventus the 1.20 crown because we throw in very early. When we say one be compete and to be something else. I think say no comment na and Romeki after match and he's a little bit disappointed in players, and as say one to my fighter bedu final with this impressive form throughout the campaign now won't give it up this easily ama Sevilla. Go share matches Sevilla about throughout the campaign. I think say Sevilla about draw one about draw be four draws and Inter Milan about draw be one about 3 draws. I think say because early go na to me buy crowd woman because what to me take advantage at least I want to men hold that 1-0 to half time grand because what to me the big count. If you sit down my opponent and I watch and to me be equalize it in that short possible time now on be psychological advantage also if you are not careful a benya effect throughout the match. I think say boy Sevilla ma to me winning match
last one my Mr. Julian Lopetegui head coach at Sevilla ni history and son obi PM Sevilla after in 2018 the Spanish national team esake no be PM Real Madrid niama nkoye Real Madrid esake no after 2 years obi winning European trophy. Do you think say or a source of motivation at Sevilla and I feel so no now o deserve so be winning this tournament, especially say Sevilla na niama nkoye fama or La Liga. Do you think that Julian Lopetegui play a major role in the European trophy na Sevilla winning now?
When it comes to a match, always a manager and a coach who play role in selection near the tactics or the beba. Because they say who read your opponent and who you are playing with. You can't always go with one approach to a game. They say who opponent are strength and any weakness. There are things that will give credit to him. Say, to me analyze Inter Milan one weaknesses in there throughout the campaign. One matches be because what matches throughout Inter matches in there. When we concede games, even though say when we win the majority of matches and they concede. I think say factors we are coaching put into the conceding team. If they fail to attack the team, will be to many BB out of their play. And aside and I think say team no say oh no say a very good history in Europa League. In every player coming in say they have advantage over whoever they are playing against, or they have the experience. They've been there. And I want to win in the win one seat time. Inter Milan have won it 3 times. I think say and alone no cry then. A huge motivation my players say will be a new players now want to buy in now won't be done. There are a few players among them the experienced players, they've been there. See, I think they'll pass that message to players now and say, hey, this is our trophy, this is our tournament. We can't let it go like that. Indeed, they'll go for it.
Right. Fantastic one. With Spotter, we analyze the game. Sevilla, when we win one state trophy of the Europa League. I'm Kokewo, na Mimbisano. Sevilla winning their 6th European trophy after beating Inter Milan by 3-2. Game in
game no was intense. Osha first 10 minutes. Simon said game no, it was a very intense game. Now I wasn't surprised. Say Sevilla winning game no because Osha the past decade that Oma dominated Europa no. Say no we were kind no. Omo prefer Europa no cause in Champions League. Osha performance in Champions League as compared to Europa no. Compared to now, Europa no, I wasn't surprised that Omo game no, but Mecca said I was a little bit disappointed. Inter Milan team no, because Antonio Conte, coach, be a penasem aside ne interest in Chelsea no, me coach me penasem na oba Inter no so the Inter aba spotlight before ne arrival no na Inter Milan Mecca say ordinary team Omo contesting for just what do you call it? Syria, but Oba and Nutum said signings, Lukaku, Ashley Young, Sanchez, normally identity or no, or prefer experienced players than youngsters. No, into match, it was a very good game match in Nikoye, but Inter Milan they have a lot of work to do. And Lukaku, Omoye match in the crowd, medal in the crowd. He was a bit disappointed in himself. Onona Oma Ohande the win. Sevilla and see my opinion upon Mecca Sevilla was a good side almost a good side ahead of Inter.
Okay, Mami Bissau, when I am Manchester United in more former player Lukaku this season very superb. I was the Italian Sansona in the Europa League, one of the top scorer. I was very rating performance there and I feel few things that Manchester United keep United.
Oh yes, Lukaku a player there since our Yakoton fee about Eba United no. Oh yeah, very good player or score goals in my opinion next anke you maintaining because they be make say Martial Anthony Martial on here number 9 or not operating from the wings. They see man you need typical striker. Obi or striker I will see man you Odion Igalo. Honestly no see Martial ya force no you born force 9. I will share performance so born one topper and said that Enko Yesa Rashford pretty behind number 9. In say you need striker. In say I maintaining Lukaku. Now at least you bet me akwe but at the end of the day no a coach in decision or shape player and then tactics Enko Yema na obet me ejano. But Lukaku has been fantastic throughout the season. No share Syria the performance and at the Europa League so he proved himself a better top scorer. But it was rather unfortunate say at the end of the day football there he was at the wrong position at the wrong time. Ultimately, Sevilla Sago overall this season he has been superb, and I'm hoping next season I'll be happy up the game now. Which is fantastic.
Fantastic one, and a Kena or Tenaka. News coming in, Chelsea. As some good news, Kakra, and a bench one, video watching and I'm a little bit surprised. Thiago Silva of Paris Saint-Germain. By next week, Chelsea will be Thiago Silva. No, Abekao, a very experienced defender. I want the days at AC Milan. Not very fantastic at time. Time go AC Milan, Barcelona, and I didn't happen. Mami Bissau, 30 seconds. Thiago Silva, Benchiwo. Do you think that Thiago Silva will watch Chelsea?
Medase, player bit say Thiago Silva. Me, I'm a very fan of Brazilians and South Americans. They are hard working here. Even in the mid-season, na many nkrofo bi di nkomo say me if I were to be a manager and a coach say me go out in the market and go for defender. If I don't go for Koulibaly, I'll go in for Thiago Silva. or we play on the field of play and or command the team on the defense. This is the kind of defenders that we have on our own team. Because one of his spirit what they on the pitch and motivate you. Into a player like Thiago Silva, he's not done. So what as defenders, and the more you age, you get more experience. Into I think so. But with Chelsea having the youth team right now, no, a player like Thiago Silva, young defenders, and they are going to learn a lot from him. A very very good signing coming in as free transfer for the time being. You're able to make use for the short term. Now I think that already Chelsea have made some huge signings, and looking at Ziyech, Timo Werner, for instance, Kai Havertz still likely say he's coming to Chelsea, and we have already made some good sign, and it involves a lot of money. I think that we are looking at so many places or young positions we are if Thiago Silva for the time being or about short term project for us at least summer say coming winter no we can put our focus at the defensive side and work over there. So I think they're a very very good move by Chelsea.
Alright, my name is Potter and I want to come back. My uncle the UEFA Champions League game now and that's a big class okay, Mami Bissau Paris Saint-Germain Bayern Munich me who say here me describe the game no emfa because okay Paris Saint-Germain players this season are really fantastic. Kylian Mbappe really on form. Oshe goals, couple of assists. Neymar scoring, Angel Di Maria scoring, Mauro Icardi scoring, Pablo Sarabia. When you have players that worry goals, Paris Saint-Germain. When it comes to the defense, Thiago Silva making sure the defense good. Abrante and Eric Kimpembe, Joan Bernard really fantastic. This players goalkeeper Abrante and Kylian Havertz, a very fantastic goalkeeper. And Paris Saint-Germain. When you go to Bayern Munich, the likes of Robert Lewandowski this season was more than 40 goals in all competitions. Plus Bayern Munich, the likes of Serge Gnabry on fire. Thomas Müller, Felipe Coutinho, numerous players what's your goals in the midfield? Abrante and Koretzka, fantastic midfielder. Bayern Munich, Thiago's friends Thiago Alcantara, players are worried about David Alaba, Alphonso Davies, the youngster, and make sure say at the left back, make sure say Abrante and Kylian Mbappe on a bad day. Paris Saint-Germain, Bayern Munich.
That's it. Ochina game now, one of the finest Champions League finals the whole world would witness. Champions League, aside World Cup, and in the toughest competition Paris Saint-Germain for the past 26 years almost qualifying bar quarter-finals finals there. They have a point to prove. Neymar, Mbappe, Di Maria, they have quality players, and now they've been fantastic throughout the season. Bundesliga, Champions League, Lewandowski has been fantastic. No two ways about that. Now, like I about Lewandowski, I say this year Corona and Ballon d'Or now. The whole world, we don't care so Abaka first hand, but it's rather unfortunate say Abanisa. Now match every match because Paris Saint-Germain they have a point to prove, and Bayern Munich and so Champions League. Normally a great or fantastic season, It's about one of the one of the finest games I ever witnessed. Portugal, yeah. Portugal. And see, a game Nameka say both teams they don't have to lose guard because Mbappe, Neymar, they are very sharp attackers. Defend only mistake back over as MFL, and I will call Bayern Munich and so Gnabry, Lewandowski, Thomas Müller. Bayern Munich here strong team. Everyone can score. On forward, on midfielders, even on back Joshua Kimmich. Alphonso Davies has been fantastic. A player Okone I can say left back player Okone there. Osha Arnold nomine Robertson Noma. Omoma assist near then Alphonso Davies a player there has been fantastic. Osha or appear up in the game. Send a Champions League in Akko no say pressure no amba no so no relax here. He will be fantastic player. Na mechanism Chameka bibi kakansafa. Neymar send a unique style of play no or you obi ade bi ope show. But so ya advert na. It's not game no in the history of PSG no omo ndi baby omo do ne. Nti e ka men ko it's na no or be put it up that show Neymar you say Neymar there ne ball and but ochina no we mean business. Send na Mbappe kan no obe share a legend boot because to him no personally no one of the biggest achievements in our co-winning World Cup into up so the Champions League no are they up to the gallery into one of the best games I'm hoping say be at the end of 90 minutes ne there the very witness game but quickly no may opt for Bayern Munich almost deserve the trophy into at least game no be quite there now almost the PSG aka form
Mami Mr. Bayern Munich coach Hans Flick very fantastic this season. Formation man, I should say, Rachana or be facing Paris Saint-Germain attack, and I would say Paris Saint-Germain attack very, very sharp. This season goes on one channel. I know you're doing. Do you think that so start here, Brandt and edit Joshua Kimmich, right side, and some for Pavard, Emma right side, don't push Kimmich, Embra Medford, Alphonso Davies. Do you think that left back position is very comfortable? Oh man, I say Lucas Hernandez should come in. 10 tactics players when actually enemies or Rachana. Want to me and shall say I'm from Bayern Munich.
My tactics are Bayern Munich coach I said the bad game no more. To me, no, I think tactics are boy against Barcelona. I saw maintaining that same squad. Now or the back against PSG. And this because on my board they have that confidence. Winning 8-0, 8-2 against Barcelona. No, the players have that confidence. They can crucify PSG. Instead, so maintaining that squad or maintaining Lewandowski. Mula Nabri, Honomana, Echin, so Alphonso Davies, Kimmich, player back one, I Osheki Kakra, Emma midfielder Goreska, Osha, game against Barcelona, any Lyon, no, Barcelona, he was fantastic, but Osha Lyon game now was a bit shaky. Kakra, I think, say, Obe maintaining a so happy up in the game because it's a final showdown, as somebody wrap it up. I think, they deserve it, they deserve to be at the finals. To me, no tactics, information. Our boy against Barcelona, no NSO maintaining. At the end of the day, we are hoping say it will pay off.
Okay, and a fantastic one. Anna, what's the ADF? Or Hormona, and also no HM on the optic for Bayern Munich to win tomorrow's finals against Paris Saint-Germain. But quick one, and you know what we say season next month, and I shall say Europe, Italy, Spain. England, Bibia, also supporting various teams. And Liverpool fans, what we need the English Premier League. Bush and next season, with me winning and I say defending the trophy in Barcelona. Niaman go, Moshe and the next season. Yamabeko, Real Madrid supporters, so much say next season with me defending the Spanish La Liga. Now, Nina Bequa, so to me support two team. Now support two team there, so to me and make sure say, Onama. Team no offer the justice no wait ma shebi na bibia so no etimi akọ so Liverpool ma win league no mama na mo sa akeke na nya pi na waka mba be kabi o se justice na no bia uzampa akwai o Liverpool na obenya justice papa na fin so authentic one na wa se na fin so no nwetuma pe na kama na na mo team papa pe ni justice di oto no wen na obisa wetima kire dia dan wani anaso betima fresh number na ona manfo edi nkomo edi afa justice no wan e uti oni in anaso o share life onu say Kwame Fizzles Uhuna, just unsa able to me akabe authentic justice of the various club I support Yama so able to me I then akosu Yama to my friend Kwame Fizzles our number is 0543 450 and I say 8009. I miss movie when I talk about one boko na nipa no side then ultimately it is a puni pen and paper kora baby from no pen and paper natural not justice no papa authentic one man go to mama we body na mo bo market we akope over say po bi ada bi authentic justice Barcelona PSG Manchester City Manchester United Arsenal the Real Madrid ope justice papa basha friend Kwame Fizzles our number is 0543 458089 0543 458089 afin so no sa ntumi nka the authentic jersey club a ultimate support na bibian so no ntumi enya kama ho no ezan se enche no odwira ba on rep your jersey na ebekọ so fezo spa ba hanum tino ye be rep your jersey on ma man santiminka jersey ni bi na niaman so no entimi kama emfama ba me pusi enko with sporters na me Mr. no Paris Saint-Germain Bayern Munich achina finals no yenyina me Barcelona ni wo ye Chelsea ni Bayern Munich obo 7 obo me 8 you think so achina we crucify bo ko ani at Paris Saint-Germain
first of all mamenko PSG aso okay team bit say PSG I think say okay in the last decade won't fail when it comes to European competition. Okay, amount of money they've involved in making signings, big players, or Zlatan Ibrahimovic, a whole lot of players and huge money invested in them. And this has been their first time I want to do Uefa. Worried to finals. I think say it's a big opportunity for them to prove say the likes of Neymar and Kylian Mbappe and you Di Maria mo which one wages near then Sky award to near there. I think say they should even do more than what they are doing. But not just okay about 1.2 billion pounds you can imagine that coach team bit say League One and competitive. And that's the only success and now will make you if you want to prove say you were a team of high pedigree in there. When you meet the elite team, they say they will prove points when it comes to European trophies near there. One Bayern Munich, meetings one meeting I think 5 times. And a Bayern Munich win it three times ahead of them. I will win it 2. And anytime I will want to it comes in them goes them into what I say we are very careful. One defense. If you are playing, I will stand out Thiago Silva, okay, Kimpembe and Benama. Think that they have to up their game tomorrow if PSG really want to win the trophy. Because okay, buying attack, it's a full force. Player bit to say Thomas Muller is very underrated. He is a big man for big occasions. What do champions European matches be? He's a player to prove point. I need so time beyond or make it that effort. He's always in the 16-yard boxer. Would you go to Caribbean or one midfield play? From defense to attacking force, Bayern are over them.
So, maybe Mr. Thomas Tuchel, Paris Saint-Germain, do you think say we put surprise be and I say police surprise be in tomorrow's game? Because players are working now. Worker players. Abranton in Eric Navas. Joan Bernat left back. Even their central defense, Kimpembe, Thiago Silva. Kimpembe edged a lot from Thiago Silva, a very experienced player. In the midfield, Marco Verratti, doubtful still beating me, edging. But in the midfield, Abranton in Ghana, formerly of Everton, on one midfield, who are the likes of Neymar, Mbappe, Di Maria up front. You can choose to start any player up front because you carry Pablo Sarabia and many other players that you can choose to start them. One advantage kakra of your performance will put you up in a Champions League. Because when you beat the likes of this team that will beat you in the semi-finals and the quarter-finals now, but Paris Saint-Germain over the years after say Nasser Al Khalifa take over now, they've tried their best and maximum best to win the Champions League. Do you think they will be more finals or not? They want to win the Champions League. Do you think they will be against Bayern Munich?
No, Mekano. Which players are one attacking force are cry there. They are capable of doing what? Causing meals to Bayern Munich defense, And I will say the best way to defend is to attack. If they are to do anything, I say the likes of Neymar and Kylian Mbappe, they have to prove a point. Well, say if they don't utilize their chances, I don't think that they can win the match against Bayern Munich. Because Bayern Munich has all the experience. They've been there. Several players of them won final over and over. Which team is PSG? I think that we the likes of Angel Di Maria and Neymar. I want to Champions League final. I don't any. They are the players I wanted to make the Champions League final. APA and Navas. Wow, which is players here. I think I say what to me instead be I say one other players and we say this is what it takes to win the final. Into when you a player like Neymar no china say or happen game now we say and you go na work you should put everything aside now you should play as a team player.
Mami Mr. Away what follow game na che. Coach and Eric Thomas Tuchel of Paris Saint-Germain and Hans Flick of Bayern. Do you think say I would say that when it comes to the club level, Hans Flick and Shera experience on the side because the first team a club team coaching any Bayern Munich, but we don't want to do find out. But Thomas Tuchel at Dortmund when to me for one could be a now he has Paris Saint-Germain. I don't want to do find out. Do you think that these two coaches one they no over the other Hans Flick or Thomas Tuchel?
Okay, Hans Flick team will better now. We're making a little changes. Davis Alonso money are there. One by inside in the idea. We say one ma or your ocean or your coach be on my day on my youth in chances. Oba Osha what drop players be experienced players be brand one man go up with the new coming out on him say definitely they are the future of Bayern Munich. And our players now won't be won't prove point say yes. They go with the coaches way advice and they won't say Usiade and now we coach and say after every match and we say Osuya Bibi only on play complacency be as a team winner and Kwaku CNT. Osha won a basa match now. Even after 5 watch 5 and still Ocean was touchline one he wasn't still satisfied because when he say football is anything. We are on our chances now who to me utilizing the way they will win. That's how a team have to play. Okay, PSG match against one against quarterfinals. Okay, one match now. PSG were complacent. And Kanyama okay was starting Neymar no put too much effort. Put too much effort until said that Kylian Mbappe bear my game no be to me a change in here. Into which you play a bit as a Neymar, you have to be a game changer. With or without any player on. I say who to me make a point, who prove a point say scare ya the torment. I'm worth it into whether Menkoya me to make Gina make a difference and say ube to me Gina PSG at the PSG I could get trophy into Ochina is a big opportunity for them. Say I don't think say if tomorrow they don't win the Champions League they will ever win it any time closer. It will be a bit taking many years. And I also one players in the baby they are having contract issues there will be extending it be looking for it to go away in the identity. I think say they should prove a point. But Bayern Munich has nothing to prove tomorrow. All eyes on PSG said they will make their first glory at the UEFA Champions League final. It's all up to them. They are the boys in their own hands.
I think say Okas and Bayern Munich has nothing to play tomorrow. I think say for me personally, may a bit disappointed. And I think it's why very unfair to them. After 2013, winning the Champions League, Niaman Koyi and Bayern. So many years, want to be playing final. Don't you think that they also deserve and also want to prove a point? Say we'll be winning the Champions League. Area my team, no.
They say one team you can Bayern Munich, they have nothing to lose. I say make out here. I say we'll win game. And comparing two teams in a PSG and JB that. One big opportunity said then will be proving point. Now we just out often. Even nine said they are playing against Bayern Munich. I feel we top form. They have the most top scorer in Europe, Lewandowski, to play against them. And no currently motivation, I will say we are going to face the top scorer in Europe. Into one players in everyone must then up their game. Osha Bayern Munich, all we position were filled now. Ubia Gina announced the light of Thiago Alcantara. When they are looking forward to leave the club. Into once they are making them, we'll be making sure say. We'll be taking a Champions League trophy now, and I will be the one fair now.
Okay, and then with Spotter, Anna, what to me, Aten and Kawana, fantastic one. But answer, but remember one my prediction. I was trying to give but my main Facebook now, messages Kakrab and to me and King Kang and Famana, and your boy Eugene, and then the about no, I'm a thumbs up, and my AKRO Live team, no. abo ya baso one man nso a fantastic one na Sami Anoma okay Sami Anoma onipa onipa da sani o say missing physics pap so no oni town kakra ba de no baby awo bi abetima bu aketim na physics be pie mu physics pap na ni je no atimi akoso wa ye ni say wa fem physics pap nti na no e di juma di na be pie mu our life bro no sansina oye lostin so ne dia ba no so yampiana no to fam erema success ko yo hono na ane kro bia santi ono so na share live Facebook ono so no say yes blues for life no ene no Chelsea ya no obo aba so say ne chewo mo ane Thiago Silva mo ereba niama so betumi akoye ama won na kwasi Frankisbeck na so no ne dia ba great work one man kwasi na ya mo aba so ene a fantastic interview etimi akọ so man na kro bia santi esan was it. Bro, stop mentioning that name into my ears. Which of the silvers are you talking about? The one we used to cook or what? I think that one would have been better than so-called Thiago Silva. As a Corobia Santon, on Forza Chelsea, about Thiago Silva, but any Frank Lampard, Macassa, or James on no new defender started at Rudy Gamo, and talk of Thiago Silva, and they have a Zuko Bruce. Thiago Silva, or Corobia, or the Eugene Opoku, and so they about the AKRO Live Sports, more fire. One mile to Eugene, more fire, and so on into me and confirm out. And I'm granting so then there was good work. Also, am I more fire, and I'm granting more fire and come out, baby. Who will be Eugene signed there was it? We need a justice man. Just and we are Manchester United in it. We just a fantastic one man authentic one. Makacho, authentic one. Ana yaka wa ni tinu me gwa go pie mu bojo shop bi ankofa we say buka bia emfa me se wo se buka na yen so authentic na untumi me on ye say colors na kura be kire ntene bowra mu physics pap na kwa me physics a musa betimi akabi na untumi bowra mu so betimi afre no 0543 458009 0543 458009 na so betimi WhatsApp no the same number so na fin so bibia so no etima ya kama WhatsApp and a phone call offer kwa me feel so authentic just Manchester United, Barcelona, Real Madrid, Chelsea, Liverpool, umbo remo at Manchester City bibia so no osa ebetimi aka honoma ene producer and so no aka na so na ene honoma tene no oyo bia kura na o se me mo just no mo shasa na just out to the basana young sana ye nieji na bibia so etima e for person we customize and farm on so fantastic kwa feel so we make it just say customize me no enche on Barcelona awe just next season me enche bia me jemede am customize na bibia so na can to customize just girls no mo shasa na ye nije so girls no mo frɛ and am WhatsApp kwa me feel 0543 yes 0543 458009 0543 458009 betuma WhatsApp na wa frɛ no na bibia so no atimi aye kama ama ho no ene nsama ene no yare ama want no am say messages no do na arba but my min yanko wrap up na e sorry somebody ne aka no ato aso ama prediction so predict mame Paris Saint-Germain Bayern Munich ochina the UEFA Champions League final here na winning and by how many goals?
Chemeko for Bayern Munich winning by 4-0.
Who is scoring?
Lewandowski, Gnabry, Muller. Yeah. Okay. Lewandowski but hit 2 goals.
Okay. And Robert Lewandowski so Osha him say record that Cristiano Ronaldo to me was scoring 17 goals in a UEFA Champions League season no ochina obetimi breaki Osha 15 goals. Ochina Osha say when breaki can obey equal sa record one ohia 2 goals na fizu niama akoso area with Sparta Paris Saint-Germain Bayern Munich you know say and by how many goals?
We share 2 teams and send away now where goal scoring teams in a 10 be and we will provide the goals. I think that I'll go in for 3-1 against PSG in favor of Bayern Munich.
You know what I said?
Oh, watching on Serge Gnabry. Me taking it to Obeshegu and Lewandowski. And anyway, any other person that comes up. And I'll buy PSG and say Kylian Mbappe to score.
Oh, okay, fantastic one. Now my infant messages we and French Krobia Santi. I don't know what to say. and you know Chelsea for Ekwakoto Thiago Silva, but even how old was Edison Cavani before letting him go? Until they say Edison Cavani Ghana, I don't know what better 30 years with Jana now. Come here, where they are Thiago Silva November. Oh, Gerard, why you so that was a great work. But tell my blue brother, we're still there. All men can Chelsea for Mokasa, brother.
Can't you see transfer and the one year signings?
Oh, and they say Bruno Fernandes. One of them here defenders, one here defender.
That's it. 1 year signings.
It's a Gerard Watson, any reporter just Harry Maguire. I'm sure next week we'll wait to Mama Nako jail. It is all jail, moon you be available. It's the one best players now for so what makes them up front to Marcus Rashford already, but you need a striker. It's a more striker now, Bibiansono, and Farmamo. Jumadino, say producer, okay, producer is the fancy, the but answer I ever call them, Memfa, in Chiakese, and Farmer, a Tua barber shop, Samson Asiman advertising, and I feel in all, yes, about what it can see in Unano, Jem Farmer, a Fizzles Pub, yes, Fizzles Pub, and I know, and then Saturday, now, Osha Sanya, I'm ranting after one. Sorry, would you made in and Chester, ya sorry if you out. The sunset table, now feels soon be cost come and tell over people, Fizzles Pub, own Sanya, and you know, one session stand up, come, I was self cinema. Bibia red label, black label, just a Hennessy. Bibia or Bellies, Bibia or Bellano, Obepima, Bibiano, and Papa, and yet book Debbie, and Papa, a Brutinsa, yes, John Walker, Bibia, I know open Papa, my energy drink. Bibia was a beer. My menena was a beer. Ubepimo, I have Fizzles Papa, Benyabianum, Stanson, and in Yumpa, DJ. That's Nasia, and you know, yes, DJ Y6. That's Nasia, and you papa, and I'm so I'm not feels to be beyond so much my come. When you say you are town, then you know all about making sure say all about crowded area, but so your face masks, not feel so sanitizer. Ultimate across no boy room, our Fizzles Pub now, and then I'm paying a big our hand was, yen that no be a debby, our Fizzles Pub 1 man to withdraw. O'Brien to withdraw Obra Kofi, Naya Akano, and Yin Munafis, I didn't so I don't so if you're sorry. Robert was in your combi, and I Jumadino, let me Akoso Kama, our Fizzles Pub, our Cropone, Equiapima, and it will be a fantastic hour. In fact, when in baby out, you may be about Cotinasi, I will be Sansabi, Yabi Mao, Vina, Ukobansa, now Yamba Binsana, Ukraka, Crying Yamba Park, how by your parking area, the Pacoka, Kama, what boy Remna, and Miano. Eti ma serve uba approach no kura no ya dey efe e wa hanu ene bibia come and nye bibia kwa go tie tie atache mu na wo dey abubi eguso wo hanu ene no ya want to task kama open executive room no matena na no madam kura no nka madam atu ase matena ko no madi mu nkoma yo ba bi coded elma executives no pay phone ne wo ba unze wo heavy ama baby so na ene no mo ba when you are mechano, you better be able to Mr. Wamarichi. You will be come to Master Wamariati. Then a Fizzles Pub. Oh, coupon, or only did you made no sono, every life, one man, and also no, Yadi Emma Sanson, I name, I mean, Kyle say, and you know, open customized jersey. No, I say, and you just be a authentic jersey, a football, basketball, basketball jerseys. In your account, me, no Boriamu, oh, Fizzles Pub. Come at Fizzles will be to me, who na feels no Bibianso no etime ai kama and I still bet my friend and WhatsApp no 0543 458090 054 yes 0543 458009 09 0543 458009 WhatsApp no and I still friend no na feels no Ujasi Chelsea Manchester United, Man City, Barcelona, Real Madrid, they won't customize it. Now, I'm from Mia no titro, Mona make a one saying, Momo suggest in a fake, which suggests you know ball jeans, papa, and I feel so. What you sneakers now, oh, yeah. Minion is over my brain fro, or friends are not just over so, baby. I'll customize it just, you know, that be beyond soon. Etime, I come and talk. Catch it out and I was watching a Fizzles Pub. Yes, Fizzles Pub. Ubo Remona Fizzle, Kwame Fizzles, that be beyond soon. Everything I come and I feel TY Barber Shop. Fantastic one, and you share with spotters and what's shipping and come na a TY Barber Shop. On when I beat my coyu, Tina Bibiason, at me, I come a Samson and you say, or printed banners, posters, Ucho didn't crack who cap on my wedding be now by 7 months for nothing over Chadia. Now one for Ding Tarawan, a Seaman advertising with my boy nothing so why it's Ajimedi in a amount. Make out say live Facebook, AKRO Live, sounds not YouTube channel, AKRO Live GH. And I don't make guests, you know. K on Manchester United sounds like with Potter. Yes, the Potter himself, also Chelsea near Yampian be command. Also to be my man you for my Bibianson, come, me, I made it Jumajin Chairman meeting and then an Aquami and Ponsedi. My member me production team about so on a staff for producer on the day. My member about Samson Joe. I mean, making sure the camera, lightning, Bibianson, wait to me, Aqua, Samson, the authentic man, yes. Executive producer, and no, producer, okay, no, yeah, technician or the therapist, director. My member about so and an authentic man. I don't know, Ubo, my girls on the fans, I don't know, my age, authentic, my tonka. Now, feels Bibianson and me, I am fine. In Jackerson and Sankobium, and Fama Nana Efia Inketia Obu the second, who can pay me a crapum, and I say, a crapum traditional area on a member, Copa Diana, Nana Efia Inketia Obu the second. I mean, Chan, your first answer, big afro. I mean, China Bibianson and Yakama. Achina, live, El McDeng Soccer Center, the UEFA Champions League finals. But now say 6:30 p.m. now things the update abroad. Young fancy now things the media Akabia and so and Fama Mutumka.